Class 1 EVS. Okay, let's start now. Now see. In emergency situation, we'll start chapter emergency situation now. A situation which poses an immediate threat to our life and property is called an emergency. Okay. A situation which poses an immediate threat to our life and property is called emergency. That can be war, natural disaster, an accident may lead to an emergency. Natural calamities or natural disaster, catastrophes. Catastrophes mean sudden thing which occur, which cause to loss of life, which cause problem to people. They are known as catastrophes. Caused by the forces of nature, resulting in a great loss of life and property. Okay, that is called emergency. Sudden thing which occurs and which creates cost to loss of life and property. Now nowadays we can the natural calamities, natural disaster which is going on is our this coronavirus, we can say. So, okay, a natural disaster. It's a natural, nature's made. Okay, now resulting loss of life and temperature, pressure and magnetic force which act externally and inside the earth result in large scale destruction. Okay, now emergency can be different type of, natural disaster can be different type of disasters. Now see, let us start with natural disasters, natural calamities. Now flood, drought, cyclone, tsunami, landslides, earthquakes and volcanoes are all natural calamities. Now natural calamities, flood. Let's start with flood. During heavy rainfall, level of water in rivers start rising. Okay, during heavy rainfall, what happens? The level of water in rivers start rising and submerge the surrounding areas, and other areas it gets down of the water and the water stays on top of the area. This causes flood. This occurs due to landslide. This causes why? Due to landslide, deforestation and rapid melting of glaciers. Okay, when glaciers melts, flood occurs. Now see, how can we be safe? Precautionary measures. How can we be safe? Flood can be prevented by building dams and bunds, means bunds, and by planting trees. Okay, you have to build dams so that it will prevent the water to come other side. Okay, evacuate the flooded area and move to higher or elevated places. You have to evacuate the empty the flood area. You have to leave that area and go to a higher places. Avoid area prone to frequent flood. Avoid the area that is too much frequently flooded area. Do not attempt to cross river or stream which is knee level. The water level is knee level. Beware of submerged roads and bridges. Submerged means that goes easily very underwater. Okay, beware of that. Next natural calamity is earthquake and landslide. You know earthquake, a sudden shock. Okay, an earthquake is a sudden trembling or shaking of the ground. Mild earthquake in hilly areas lead to landslides. When earthquakes occur, landslides become. Okay, earthquake, landslides means lands, it breaks and falls down. Earthquake can cause major devastation as buildings, bridges, towers, etc. collapse. They all collapse, leading to heavy loss of life and property. How can we precaution now take? If we are indoors, stay there. Quickly move to a safe location in the room, such as under the strong desk or table, a strong table, or along an interior wall. Avoid standing near windows. You should, when you're inside the house, you should go and sit under a strong table or a strong thing, a hard thing, under which if anything falls, it should not affect you. Avoid standing near windows, mirrors, heavy furniture and hanging objects. If you are outdoor, move to an open area where falling objects are unlikely to strike you. Open area, nothing can fall on top of you. So move away from buildings, power lines and trees. Okay. Now drought. Drought is a dry weather. A long period of low rainfall in an area, especially one that adversely affects the life condition, are called drought. This condition is prevalent in desert zone, especially this occurs in desert areas. Okay, drought cause crop failure. Crops cannot grow and starvation. Food is there. But the major cause of drought is environmental degradation. Environments gets destroyed. Now, how can it be safe? Make judicious or proper use of water. Conserve water by building dams and reservoir, okay, where water can be stored. Recycle water. Care for ecology and environment. Care for the surrounding and environment. Next is cyclone. Storms with a violent whirling movement, okay, round movement, which moves at very high speed, are called cyclone. These storms can uproot trees, telephones, electric poles and destroy whatever comes in their area. Now recent cyclone is that Amphan, which occurred day before yesterday. Okay, that is a cyclone. Now, precautionary measure. Before a cyclone hits, follow the warning on the television and radio. Evacuate the area on time. Means leave the area. Means evacuate means leave, means empty the area. If evacuation is not possible, secure all the doors and windows. Prepare an emergency kit, first aid box, battery operated radio, and a torch. When a cyclone hits, turn off the electricity and hide under in a strong area or in your house, such as basement. If you have a basement under the ground, if there is something, that is called basement, underground level, basement. Move out only when all the clear signals, okay, all clear signal is given by the authority. Clear? This is cyclone. Next, what we have after cyclone? Tsunami. Okay. So next is tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word which means harbors waves. Tsunami are huge sea waves caused by earthquake or a volcanic eruption under the sea. Huge waves are known as tsunami, and which happens when there is a earthquake or volcanic eruption under the sea. What can be precaution we can take? Follow the warning on television and radio. Evacuate the coastal areas immediately. To leave the coastal areas immediately. Okay. Clear? So tsunami. Okay. So volcanoes now. Volcanoes will do next day. Till for today this much. Okay. Coastal areas immediately evacuate it. The tsunami. So it's all natural calamities. It's all natural calamities. Okay. So for today this much. Till immediately. Mark, everyone mark it. Okay. Immediately. Thank you. Read the chapter. Thank you.